Lot number 101 is a 2000 Ford F-450 XL crew cab utility truck. This one has a 7.3 liter diesel engine with only 96,000 original miles. The motor sounds good. It's been running for over an hour. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages. The AC does nothing. I see the AC compressor engaging and disengaging, but it does not blow inside. So it may have a problem with the blower motor. I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear the motor. The motor sounds good. Revs up nice. Here are the miles, 96,000 miles. The automatic transmission engages. The shifter lever feels a little funny. It moves around a little too much, but it does engage in all gears. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows wear. The front bumper looks good. It's got a lot of minor little dents and scratches along the doors. The utility bed is very rusty. It's got rust on the floor. It's got rust inside the cabinets. There's rust holes right through the bottom. This one is probably the worst. Comes with a heavy-duty tow hitch. The floor in the bed is also rusty and shows rust holes. Here's the driver's side. Again, the utility box looks rough. It's got dents, it's got scratches, and it is rusty. This one appears to be a little more solid than the other side. Let's see if this one's open. This one looks rusty down here. So the bed looks rough. The cab looks good. Again, paint, peeling, paint chips, scratches, some surface rust. But what do you expect? It's a 2000 work truck. It's got the 7.3 with under 100,000 miles. Let me show you the interior. The interior shows wear. Rear seat is torn in multiple places. The interior is very dirty. The door panels are faded. The driver's bench seat is also torn. Headliner's hanging, mostly in the front and rear. The dashboard is not cracked. The rubber mat on the floor is torn. And all the door panels look faded. The motor sounds good. It's been running over an hour. Nice and steady. Let me show you the passenger side. All right, so there you have it. It's a 2000 Ford F-450. It runs and drives. The AC compressor engages. All the lines are getting cold, but it's not doing anything inside, so it probably has a bad blower motor. It's lot number 101. Lot number 101. Good luck.